What are nouns? A noun is a naming word. Hi, my name is Noun. My job is to make sure that people, places, animals, and things have a name. Do you know what a noun is? A noun is a naming word. It can name a person, place, animal, or thing. Like teacher, boy, shop, London, book, Jack, cat, computer. Nouns can be used to name people like Adam, Naomi, doctor, teacher, boy. Nouns can also be used to name places like kitchen, London, school, Japan, shop, beach. Nouns can also be used to name things like computer, book, balloon, pencil, pumpkin, chair. And nouns can be used to name animals like cat, elephant, lion, dog, deer, sheep. Now look at the words below. Can you find and click on the nouns? Let's try. Candle, yes. Pretty, no. Jacket, yes. Bird, yes. Dog, yes. Joshua, yes. Dancing, no. Shirt, yes. Car, yes. Tree, yes. Owl, yes. Plane, yes. Tall, no. When, no. Shiny, no. Because, no. Now this is a sentence. Naomi sat on the grass. The nouns in this sentence are Naomi and grass. Now can you help me spot the nouns in these next sentences? Find the noun in this sentence. The dog is wet. The noun in this sentence is dog. Find the noun in this sentence. My trousers are blue. The noun in this sentence is trousers. Find the two nouns in this sentence. The boy looked at the beautiful owl. The nouns in this sentence are boy and owl. Now, find the correct nouns that these sentences are describing. You can use me to write a story. Is it a scooter, a shoe, a pencil, an owl? So the correct answer is a pencil. I have 4 paws and I can bark. Is it London? Is it a dog, a spider, or a fish? The correct answer is a dog. Now something you use for cutting bread. Is it a knife, a spoon, a cat, a bed? Well, the correct answer is a knife. A place you go to learn. Is it park, school, recorder, or candle? The correct answer is school. Bye bye.